Welcome to my channel. My name is Nadi. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make these crochet footy socks. We're going to start off with some regular acrylic worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm hook. Start with a magic circle, and if you don't know how to make a magic circle, I have a video on it. And we're going to do 12 half double crochets into the magic circle. We're going to pull the tail closed, and then we're going to slip stitch into the very first stitch that we made. For the second row, we're going to chain one, and then we're going to put 2 half double crochets into each stitch. So in the end, we should have a total of 24 half double crochets. Slip stitch to end the second row, and then we're going to chain one and put 1 half double crochet into every stitch, and so the third row should also have 24 stitches. Slip stitch this row, and our project should start to look a little bit like a cup. At this point, I go ahead and I snip my tail, and the way that I crocheted, it's basically tucked. Sometimes I use fabric glue to glue it. How many rows after the increase you make is dependent upon your shoe size. For example, I'm a size 10, so after I do the row with the increase, I'm going to add 17 rows of 24. This is what it should look like so far. It should reach your ankle but not go up your ankle. Continue on, we're going to chain one and put 16 half double crochets. We're going to chain one and turn our work. And we're going to crochet 16 more half double crochets. We are creating our heel, and how many rows you need for your heel is dependent upon your shoe size. Once we're done with the heel part, we're going to lay our footy flat, and then we're going to take the part that we just finished crocheting and fold it backwards. We're going to slip stitch along the seam, and doing it this way just makes sure that the seam is on the inside. Once we fasten off, we're going to work on the border. I attach the yarn in the back kind of near where the seam is. Once you attach the yarn, you're going to make a half double crochet into the top of every single row. When you get to the corner, you don't have to do anything special, just go ahead and continue half double crocheting. Once you work your way back around, you just slip stitch into your very first stitch and you fasten off and you're done. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow and that you got yourself some footies out of it. Make sure to follow me on my social media and maybe tag me so that I can see whatever you made. Subscribe to get more tutorials like this. I hope to catch you in the next one. Peace.